skilled craftsman is transforming a simple wooden plank with precision. Using a specialized saw, he follows a carefully sketched design, carving it with great accuracy. This machine makes intricate work possible, turning simple wood into artistic creations with ease. Wood carving like this opens up endless possibilities, from decorative items to custom furniture. Such tools bring designs to life efficiently. The control and precision allow craftsmen to create high-quality, detailed products that stand out.